Looking for a powerful smartwatch without breaking the bank? Introducing the EIGIIS 1.83 smartwatch, packed with health features, Bluetooth calling, and a stunning display, all for just $5.52. That's 62% off from the original price of $14.52. Click the link in the description below to grab this deal. This sleek and stylish smartwatch is more than just a timepiece. It's your daily assistant and fitness partner in one. The 240 by 284 resolution gives you crisp visuals, perfect for checking the time, date, weather, and more, even in bright light. Make and receive calls directly from your wrist. The connection is stable, the quality is sharp, and yes, you can even quickly reply to messages. Need to set a reminder or play a song? Just talk to your watch, free your hands, and stay in control. Available in dark black, vibrant orange, amber orange, and even camouflage gray, with both soft silicone and textured steel bands, match your style every day. Charge for just 2.5 hours and enjoy 15+ days on standby or up to 5 days of regular use. Track your heart rate, blood oxygen, blood pressure, and even your sleep patterns, all in one sleek device. Whether you're walking, running, cycling, or practicing yoga, this watch has a mode for it. Control your playlist or snap a photo remotely right from your wrist. Take it to the gym or in the rain without worry. Powered by the JL7013 chip RAM, 640 kilobytes, ROM, 64 megabits lithium polymer battery compatible with Android 5.1 Plus and iOS 8.0 Plus magnetic charging Bluetooth 5.3. This smartwatch is a steal at just $5.52, but it won't last long. Click the link in the description below to buy now. Like this video if you found it helpful. Comment below what feature you're most excited about, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews, unboxings, and gadget deals.